Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you love luxury handbag, unboxing, lifestyle, travel blog, and beauty and review related, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell to notify every time I upload a new video. Guys, I have a Cartier unboxing today. Yes, last year I just had the earrings and I finally see everything. Actually, it's very strict that you're not allowed to take a picture, but I snipped everything a little bit on there. And also we went to the other side of Miami, which is not far from the hotel we're staying. That's the day that we left. Guys, that place is amazing. Everything you need is there. Let's say Hermes, Dior, everything luxury that you're looking for is over there. I don't see the Guyard one unless I didn't search. So I did good thing that I came that day. The first day we got in Guyard store in the Bal Harbor. They also have everything in there. And so yeah, it's beautiful. I'm really happy that I shop in store of Guyard because I want to experience to shop in store. And I get something, guys. If you haven't seen my unboxing, then I will leave the description below or up here. And also, guys, thank you so much for your appreciate. I'm really trying to back in my YouTube now. I try to post once a week for now, and so hopefully that I can still uh, manage to do work and also in my YouTube. And anywho, let's get unboxed and what I got from Cartier. And guys, they have a new of love bangle, the size medium. I forgot to film though that the old one because you can close both side, but this one, the new one, is the size medium. It just the only you can close only in one side, and it's easy. It's not like you taking out both. You can lock both, which is I really like so much. I was like, no way. I was thinking about so many time, and I don't came in there to purchase another love bangle. And actually, I've just came there just to browse. But when I saw this one and tried it on, and yes, I love it so much. And there she is. And actually, they don't wrap this one. So the authenticity card and also the receipt is just to give it to me, and for some reason, and I asked for like a cleaning kit and she gave me again another kit. I got plenty of cleaning kit, might as well to keep it. And here's the item over here, guys. Never thought that they would give me this big over here. And also the travel pouch. First time I have a travel pouch like this big. Anyhow, see what I'm talking about, guys. She never wrapped anything at all because the store is so busy. And I guess I forgot to ask, hey, can you please wrap this for me? And she actually put that on to me on my wrist, maybe because they were worried about somebody grab my bag or something like that. And that area, there's so many security and police everywhere. I guess so many rich people down there, and so maybe you don't never know. So yeah, this is the item that I purchased, and it's really nice. They can add on my collection actually. And it's nice they have this one over here. See that just snap over here. The item that I purchased is this one over here, guys. Let me remove. This is another lab bracelet. The bracelet that I got is a lab bracelet on chain, 2 diamonds. I am trying the 2 chains. What's the name of that? The 2 lab bracelet on chain, the 2 one, but it doesn't suit right. And the one thing that is sold me out is this one. I don't know if you can see closely, guys. It's so cute. And they have diamond. This one's diamond over here, and also they have diamond somewhere around here. Oh, which is okay, it's just right here in love. That's a diamond. I put the wrong one. And also this one over here is a diamond, which is actually, I did try the white gold. Oh my god, white gold is also beautiful, but my husband is like, I prefer gold because it's cute, it matches everything on my jewelry. And I said to myself, I never had uh, white gold and Cartier collections. Well, I do have a white gold, but non-luxury jewelry. And when I tried it on, it's actually cute, mix and match metal. But my husband said, no, go for a white gold one because it's beautiful. It's actually, it's nice. It is really confusing, guys, that you wanna, which one you metal you like, because once you try that on, it's so hard to decide. I was there, actually decided like 15 minutes before I purchase anything because I want to get something that I like. And I do love also the white gold of medium. I was thinking that maybe I was think after 2 or 5 years I will get that. Hopefully they don't increase the price so I get everything. Anyway, I don't know, guys, if you can see, it has love, the diamonds over here and also here. And it's really cute, to be honest with you. She put this on me. I ending up tricking off because I said to myself, I'm gonna film a video and I'm gonna see you what it looks like. Okay, so they have two adjustable. By the way, there's one and two adjustable. And see how dainty it is. It's so cute, guys. Let me put this one with my other jewelry so at least you can see. I just don't wanna, because it's hard for me to put it on. I'm just holding this too. See, but this one is, see how much with all my other gold bracelets. It's so nice, and I love that the dainty. I love dainty jewelry, to be honest with you guys. And the only have is this regular big one over here. Is this two? I think, yeah, this is the only one that actually had like a regular size. This was from Van Cleef, and this is a regular size from Cartier. So yeah, I really love this so much, and I'm happy that it add on my collection, to be honest with you. So I'm not sure if you see closely, guys, because I wanted to see nicely. So I want to do close up with this so you can see how it looks, and you can see already how it looks on my wrist. It's very dainty. I have another like chain one like this from LV and the Van Cleef. I probably mix and those three together. We'll see how it looks because this chain is gonna be tangled up. So yeah, guys, that's it for my Cartier unboxing today. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below and share. And also don't forget to subscribe. And I see you guys on my next one. Bye.